Okay, hello. I'm preparing my body cream. Many people have requested for the recipe or do the video. I actually did the video on YouTube, I think like a year ago or so, and somebody was requesting for it. I couldn't find it. So I thought I'd do a new video, and this time around, I've actually upgraded with the video, with the cream itself. So this time around, I'm trying a new recipe for the first time. So we're going to do it together, and I want to make the video as short as possible. So if you miss anything else, I will ensure I put the step-by-step guide underneath the video so that you can follow that as well. The mixture is being divided into two because and by the way, this cream is focused on dry skin with eczema, very dry skin. I haven't bought cream in my house for like 10 years. I've been mixing cream up, made the base thing there. So it is a shea butter. Now this shea butter, where did I get it? I got it from Dosy Market. So this is 250 gram of the shea butter. So this is the base. I'm going to separate it into oil base, the water base, and then when we mix it, cool down, then what we had after. So the base, there are three elements of it. The first base is the oil element base. So I have my shea butter there, I have my castor oil. You can get yours anywhere. I got this one from I think eBay or Amazon. So this one, cold pressed castor oil, organic. I got avocado oil, the same manufacturer, I think. Yes, I got vitamin E. It's really good. We need that for our skin to glow. I got tea tree oil as well. That form part of the oil base, and I got emulsifying. This is what makes it really creamy. So I'm going to be using for this quantity, I'm going to be using the 50 gram. That is the first element of it. Then we move to the water base, the element of the cream that has water in it, because you know that to mix water together with oil, and that was one of the things that I was missing before. So my cream wouldn't turn out really creamy. So I got the vegetable glycerin here as part of the water base. I got aloe vera gel as well. This is also organic, and I got this Colada oatmeal is this is also to absorb the water in it and to also preserve the water base in it. So after that, when it's being mixed, I'm going to take you through how I'm going to mix it. Then we have the last bit to mix, which is mostly essential oil. And I have it depends on what fragrance you want, what is important to you. I like the flowery base. I like that fresh smell, not so strong, because I got my kids using it as well. So I got geranium, I got sweet orange, I got what else, I don't know how to pronounce it. Whatever. And what else do I also got? Roman chamomile, and I also got ordinary. So this one is Scolan. I hope I'm pronouncing this word. This is very essential. It's very rich, and I'm just going to put a little drop of it. This is very expensive. I think I got this one for 25p, and so that is the last bit of it. So let's go. I'm going to pause this video and okay, so here we are. I'm doing the first base. So here, what we have here, shea butter, as I showed you earlier on. So I've added shea butter, I've added castor oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or coconut oil is the white one there, and I've added the emulsifying. What I use, brand I use is the elements I use is BCMS 50. I've added how many grams did I have? That is 50 grams for this quantity. And you see, so I'm going to use microwave. When you're using microwave to melt it, don't get carried away. Just do like 30 seconds max otherwise you don't want the shea butter to be overcooked. What else did I add? I added tea tree oil in this one now. So I'm going to put that in the microwave for just 30 seconds to make, and I'll start mixing it. Yeah. Okay, let me do that quickly. Right, the next set of mix, what I have here, I have avocado gel in here, and I have colada oatmeal. So it's basically kind of absorb the water in it, and also to preserve it. Already avocado has that preservatives there, because there's that element of water in your cream, and if it's not well preserved, it means it can grow fungal after a while. So these three, the way I'm going to heat this one, because I need it to melt kind of, but not cooked. So I already put a pot on the fire with water, so it's already boiling. I will just place this on top of it so that it's generated from that. It's if you understand what I mean. Yeah. Okay, so this is a finished product after they are the oil base is fully melted. You can see it's now clean and clear. There is no white residue of coconut oil or anything, shea butter. It's all clear. Yeah. And then the water base, this is what it looks like. This one looks like a fufu, doesn't it? So this is what it looks like. It's still warm, and we have to use it while it's warm and mix it. So I'll be dripping it here, mixing it gradually, dropping it into the oil gradually and mixing it, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Okay, so this is the outcome after mixing the water base and the oil base together. You could see that it's still very, very light. It's still warm temperature room, so you still want it to be warm before you add the last ingredients, which is mostly the essential oil and the pentanol. So see, that's what we have now. Let me see if I can show you. I haven't got a good video like that camera. I've not positioned my camera yet well, so you could see. Yeah, that's what it is like, and this is what I use in mixing. I'm too lazy. You can use anything. You can use blender, but I'm too lazy to wash the blender after, so this is what I use to mix it. And this was okay. So the last bit of it is I'm going to add the vitamin A oil. So I'll just add like a little bit, 5 grams or so. Oops. So you see, it's not a lot. It's just, you just need a bit of it in it. So, and then I had my okay, before I had that, the magnesium sulfate. This is really good if you really have that bad eczema. So there was a suggestion that you could use this on its own as well. You could definitely use it. This is Bell brand. You could get anyone. So pouring that. I melted it, by the way. I had to melt it separately in boiling hot water, so to ensure it's easily melted when I'm mixing it. So I also have sweet orange here. I have sweet orange here. I will just do like 8 drops, yeah, that's it. Then I have, oh, it's already smelling nice already. I have the granium. So this is now essential brand essential oil that I got. I'm going to add 8 drops, right? Okay, actually, because I increased my water. And here is if you can pronounce it, I'm gonna list it. I'm gonna mix that. You list it in my thing. You can read it when you see the text. You can try to read it. 9, 10, 12 of this one. Then what else is here? So Roman chamomile is this. I just want that blend of calm but fresh flowery, and this one 8. And I have yang yang. I hope that is how it's pronounced, yang yang oil here. So I will add this one, and okay, I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna give this one like 12. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna mix that. We'll mix now. Mix, 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 mix. I'll mix again, mix, 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 and I will leave it to cool down, and then I'll come back and show you what the final product. That is the final mix. We're not mixing anything again, and I'm gonna come back to show you what the final product is looking like. All right, okay. I forgot pencil on, so it's just 5 grams. So I use 1 teaspoon here for the measurement, and that's it. See you in a okay. So here's a finished product. See, I'm gonna put them in the pots now, as in the container, and I'll put it back in the freezer. So after I did all this mixing, I put it in the fridge for a while, but I keep bringing it out, mix it, bring it out, mix, bring it out, mix. So you can see, yeah, not bad. I think I like it. It's better than what I used to make, so it's a great improvement to what I've mixed before. There is no that watery separation between oil and cream. All mixed perfectly. I think this is great, and I like the aroma already. So if you live in my area, drop me a DM. Now that I got this on right, I'm going to do a bigger size, and I might be able to post a pot to you, the portion I mean. So let me know if you live in my area. Drop me a message. I have 2 families that are already waiting on this one. So yeah, it's very calm, very cool as well. For some reason, it's usually cool, cool your skin when you put it on. Well, I tell you, this is what we've been using for like 10 years in my house. We've never had to buy cream. And the bad eczema skin just disappear in time. My kids are used to it. They never know any other cream. I hope when they go older, they won't tell me, no, mom, we want another type of cream. But I think they're liking it. Anyway, thank you so much. I'm going to drop all the details, ingredients, and how to do it in the underneath the video. Any question, let me know.